So I was asked recently when I was working through a client's wardrobe and we were refining things and reordering and organizing them, should I organize by color? And when I asked if that's kind of the system that she had been working with, she actually said yes, and clearly it hadn't really been working. So I actually think that color is a secondary or like tertiary priority, but I do think there's like an order of operations when you're organizing your wardrobe and organizing your closet. And so my suggestion is that you would first consider the activity or event, and then you would group things based on that. So if you went by color, you might have a dress next to a t-shirt, next to a cocktail top, and like a work blouse. I think you should put all your work tops together and then maybe segueing into your cocktail tops. Of course, if there's like an overlap in that, then just all together is probably fine. But really be considering like, how am I going to be using this piece? I think that makes it so much easier to get up and get ready to go to make a selection. And then secondarily, I think it makes it really easy to start getting creative and start thinking of pieces, because you're not having to fight like a visual battle of, does this even fall into the category of what I need or not? So I think to streamline your experience and to make you more creative, I think organizing by event or activity is most important. And then by color, texture, pattern, print, all of those things will be secondary. But that's my best advice.